Good morning, children. Very good morning. How are you all? Yes, I am also fine. Had your breakfast? Yes. Now, I want to take class for third standard children. Subject maths. Open your classwork. Mention today's date. 12th of August. Thursday. Already we started third chapter, counting numbers up to 999. Counting numbers up to 999. Is it? Sorry, this is a second chapter. In this chapter, what you learned? Adding the numbers, and you wrote from 1 to 1000, how to add in abacus chart, how to add in a subtraction chart by abacus, and greater, smaller, already you learned, and you learned the expanded form of the numbers, and the number place also you learnt in this chapter. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, is it? You learnt in this chapter. Now we move to exercise 8. Exercise 8. See, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. See, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Already you know what is ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. We should write smaller number to bigger number. Just you see first one. First one 6382. Next 2052. Next 394, 396, 394, 396. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Then first you see the place value of the number. Okay. See, this is a ones, tens, 100, 1000. These both numbers are in 1000 place. These two numbers are in 100 place. 3 is in 100 place, 3 is in 100 place. See, 1, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. But first we should take a smaller number. Smaller number, see, these two are smaller. In these two, we should find out which is the first smaller number. 3 is in 100, 3 is in 100 place, 9 is in 100 place, 9 is in 100 place. Now 4 is in, 9 is in tens place, 9 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place, 6 is in ones place. Which is smaller, 4 or 6? Absolutely, 4 is a smaller number. Then I will write first, see, 394. Next 396. Okay, this is a first smaller. Next is 396. Next, see these two numbers. Which is smaller number? 6 is in 1000 place, 2 is in 1000 place. So, automatically see 2052 6382. This is a ascending order. Smaller number to bigger number. Second one I will show you. 8170. 8170. Next 2165. 2165. 3896. 1876. numbers, all are in 1000 places only. Is it? See. Then how we are writing the smaller to bigger number? See the place value. See, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000. First you see the 1000 place here. First we have to see 1000 place. In 1000 place, which is the first smaller number? 8, 2, 3, 1. Which is a smaller number? 1. So automatically first I will write this number 1876. Second 2, 2165. Next 3896. Next 8170. It's easy, no? Always, however, how many numbers the teachers gave means, first you find out the place value. Then only it become easy to arrange the ascending order. See the place value. 1000 place, in 1000 place, which is the first smaller number, automatically we can arrange like this. 1, 2, 3. So 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8. Direct 8. Understood? This is about ascending order. Next we move for descending order. Okay. Descending order means bigger to smaller number. Bigger to smaller number. Bigger to smaller number. Descending order. Bigger to smaller number. First you take, what is the first one? Page number 97. 2369. 2369. 1054. Next 7383. Next 8765. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Bigger to number to smaller number. Smaller number. Is it? Now you see the numbers. Okay. First biggest number. Descending means first biggest number we should write. Then I told you before only, first you see the place value of the numbers. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. All these are in 1000 place, right? These are the 1000 place. First biggest number. See which is the first? 2 is there. No. 1. No. 7. No. 8. See, automatically we are getting this number as a biggest number. 8 before? Before is 7. 7, 3, 8, 3. Next 2, 3, 6, 9. Next 1, 0, 5, 4. Understood? In this, these are the given numbers. In this only we should write from bigger to smaller. Understood now? You see the place value and write. It becomes easy for you to sort out this problem, okay? Next you take second one, 789. Next 3789. 2789. Next 4789. See, already they given, you see, this is a ones, tens, hundred. These all three numbers are in thousand places, right? These are all 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. Then we can't write this is a first. We can't write in a first place. Then we should see a place value of these three numbers. See now, 3 is bigger, 4 is bigger, sorry 2 is bigger or 4 is bigger. Tell me which is a, in thousand place, which number is bigger? 4. So 4789. Before, bigger to smaller means before we should check. Before 3, 7089. Next before is 2789. At last it's a 100 plus 789. Understood? These are the before we should check. 4 before 3, 3 before 2. Means bigger to smaller number I wrote here. Understood? This is about a descending order. Remaining you only write in your classwork. Next, I want to teach you about even and odd numbers. Listen carefully, okay? Even and odd numbers. Even number, odd numbers. What do you mean by even number? What do you mean by odd number? See, even numbers means numbers that can be put in pairs. Even numbers, numbers that can be put in pairs are called even numbers, such as 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, so on. Okay, this is a even numbers. Always it's a ones or tens places are there. Numbers that can be put in pairs. That can be put in pairs. Okay. Now odd numbers. Numbers that cannot put in pairs. Such as 1, 3, 5, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, so on. These are the odd numbers. See now clearly, odd numbers means numbers that cannot put in pairs, such as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20, that so on. These are the odd numbers. Okay, what do you mean by pairs? You are understanding what is even and odd numbers? That I explained the definition. Then how you are recognizing this is a odd number? Tell me now. See, even numbers means that can be put in pairs. See, I am wearing a 2 earrings. This is a pair, 2. Is it? Understood? I am having a 10 fingers. It is a pair. Say 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Understood? Pairing the numbers is called as even numbers. I am having 2 legs. It is a pair. I am having 2 hands. It is a pair. I am having 2 eyes. It is a pair. You are getting now what I am telling? Okay. These are the pairing. You are taking earrings from any shops. They are giving 2, right? They are not giving 1. That is a pair. That is an even number. Even. Understood? If you are taking a footwear, chappals, sandals, you are taking no? They are giving only 1 chappal or 1 sandal, 1 shoes they are giving. No, they are giving a pair, 1 pair. You are telling them to give me a 1 pair of chappal, show me a pair of chappal. 2 pair means he will show you 2 separate pairs. Understood? This is a pairing. Here, in odd number, numbers that cannot put in pairs. That cannot put in pairs. Only it is a single. Okay, see. I am having 1 nose. 1. Is it? I am having 1 mouth. Understood? I am having only 1 stomach. I am having only 1 head. I am having only 1 forehead. Like this is it is not a pairing. See, duster. Give me 1 duster, we will say. Understood? This is only 1 duster I am taking from the market. If I am asking 2, then he will give 2. But they will not give directly 2. That is a odd numbers. If I am asking, please show me a earrings. He will show 2 earrings because it is a 1 pair. But if you are asking duster, give me a duster, the shopkeeper shows you only 1 duster because it is not a pair. This is a odd. You are getting now what I am telling? Understood? This is the difference between odd and even. This you write on in class work. I want to write you some points. Silent man. Just to know, sum of 2 even numbers. See here, this is a note. Write in classwork. Sum of 2 even number is always even. Second, sum of 2 odd number is always odd. Next, third point, sum of an even or odd number is always an odd numbers. Example, 24 plus 13 equal to 37. Next number, all odd numbers leave a remainder 1 when divided by 2. Divided by 2. This is some points we should remain to find out a even and odd. Just you see, note, write down in classwork, okay? Note, sum of two even number is always even. Sum of two even number is always even. Sum means addition. Sum means addition. You see, this is sum of two even number is always even. Just you see, even number I am taking, even plus even. Sum means plus. Sum means plus. 2 plus 2, 4. Understood? Sum of even numbers, any number you take, but you should take even numbers. See, I am taking here 6 is a even number. I am adding again a even number. Sum of two even number, always we are getting a even number. Understood? Sum means addition. If you take 22, it is a even number. Understood? You take 42, it is a even number. If we are adding, see, sum of two even numbers, sum of two even numbers is always even, means the answer is even. 64 is also a even number. Understood? Next, sum of two odd number is always odd. Sum means addition. Sum of two odd numbers, you take odd number 1, 3. Answer is 5. This is odd number. This is also odd. This is also odd number. Means sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers is always odd. You take, tell me the odd numbers, 11, 13. Plus means sum. Sum of odd numbers. 11 is also odd. 13 is also odd. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, next. Sum of odd number is always odd numbers. Next. Sum of an even number. Sum of an even number is always an odd number. ಅಣ್ಣ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು.